Popcorn, peanuts, hey, cold beer. Who's ready now? Those are the sound of baseball coming to a park near you. Oh wait, it's just spring training. Hi, it's Rick with your spring training analogy. You know, opening day is just around the corner and optimism is in the air because it's a new season and everyone has a potential to win. And yet, some fans and most sports writers will tell you that spring training doesn't mean anything. What do you mean? Going to a spring training game is a good way to get out of the cold after a long cold winter. And oh, by the way, watch your favorite team work on the fundamentals for the regular season. For the players, spring training is kind of like rehearsing for a play or singing in the choir, preparing for a concert, or maybe for us, maybe working on a big presentation at work. It takes energy, focus, discipline, especially to practice the fundamentals day in and day out. You know, those warm-up exercises, stretching out, mental preparation, they're often the difference between winning and losing. You know, in baseball, they say that good teams don't beat themselves. They don't make a lot of errors. They don't strike out with runners in scoring position. When somebody makes a sacrifice bunt, they throw the ball to first instead of trying to make the spectacular play. In other words, they work on the fundamentals at this time of year. And spring training is a great reminder that encourages all of us to work on our fundamentals regularly. In business, that could mean controlling our attitude by staying positive in tough conditions, building confidence and enthusiasm for ourselves and others, leading by example and keeping others engaged. If it's been a while since you've worked on your fundamentals, check out the Knowledge Center at our website for some new ideas and the latest apps. And let's hope the Twins have a great year.